and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and this is our comment video for tonight's $half hunt live stream at 6 p.m. Central Time. Now, I know we have 5 boxes in front of us, but we are going to pick just 3 of them, and we're going to be looking for silver, proofs, errors, varieties, and just like last week, we are going to give away everything we find in these boxes, and we're going to give away some of them on tonight's stream, and the rest of it we'll give away on future streams. We'll put it in the giveaway tube right here. But even if we don't find silver in those boxes, we still have silver to give away tonight because we have silver left over from previous live streams in the giveaway tube. And these we found on previous live streams. We're going to give these away as well. There's going to be 2 ways to enter. First off, comment on this video. We'll pick the winner for this pair of 40% Kennedys at the end of the stream. Then we'll pick the winner for this pair of 40% Kennedys on our regular Saturday winners video. Then we'll give away some giveaways to people active during the chat throughout the stream. It's going to be a lot of fun. We are looking forward to seeing you there. We'll have to figure out which of these we're going to hunt. We're going to hunt 3 boxes tonight. We look forward to chatting with you. See you at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time.